breath in for me. Go all the way out. Okay. Drop the left shoulder. Okay. The other side, same thing. Okay. And then line your back for me here. I should do the drop. Oh, yeah. Actually, line your back here.